teacher. Chalk in hand, he's on a mission, shaping dreams with precision. Joseph, the English teacher, the best teacher in the world. His wisdom's like a
Hi
shining
everyone,
beacon.
welcome. Today's story is all about British food. And remember, you can find the transcripts at teacherjoseph.com. Let's be honest, British food doesn't have the best reputation. Around the world, people make jokes about it, and often these jokes are true. In the UK, we eat a lot of boring brown food. We also have strange habits when it comes to meals. And worst of all, most of us don't even realize there's a problem. We think we're doing fine. One big problem is that many people in the UK don't know very much about food. We eat a lot of ready meals, frozen dinners, and simple things like beans on toast or bananas on toast. We act like boiling vegetables until they're soft and grey is normal. Some people have never cooked rice properly, and many think a meal without meat is not a real meal. If you offer them a salad, they might look afraid. Let's talk about salad for a moment. In other countries, people eat fresh, tasty salads with olive oil, herbs, lemon juice, or even fruit. In the UK, we often eat sad bits of lettuce, one slice of tomato, and something called salad cream, a strange white sauce that tastes a little like vinegar and regrets. Now, let's talk about the full English breakfast. This is something many British people love, and we do feel a bit proud of it. But look at it closely. Fried eggs, sausages, bacon, baked beans, toast, mushrooms, maybe some black pudding, a type of sausage made from blood. It's heavy, greasy, and you often need a nap after eating it. British people also love beige food. If it's brown, fried, or comes from a packet, we probably eat it. Chicken nuggets, fish fingers, chips, we love them all. If you go into a British supermarket, you'll see entire freezers full of food you just throw into the oven. We call this convenience food, but really it's just a sign we don't like cooking very much. Many people in the UK say, I love Indian food, but what they usually mean is they like mild curry with no spice and lots of rice. British people often say they love food from other countries, but they still want it to taste like British food. Simple, not too strong, and without weird ingredients. For example, Mexican food in Britain is often just meat, cheese, and sour cream wrapped in something soft. It's not really Mexican at all. Oh, let's not forget school dinners. Many British children eat school meals that are so bad they stay in our memory forever. We remember square pizza, dry meat, boiled carrots, and a strange pink cake with green custard. It's not surprising that many of us grow up thinking food is supposed to be boring. Dinner parties are another funny thing. When people in the UK invite you for dinner, they try hard to cook something fancy, but the results are not always great. People often try to make something like risotto or lasagna without really knowing how. The vegetables are overcooked, the wine is warm, and the pudding is usually from a packet. A lot of British people also don't like flavour. That sounds strange, but it's true. Spices make them nervous. Garlic is too strong. Fresh herbs are a bit too much. Many people just use salt and pepper, and that's it. No wonder our food is so plain. But here's the interesting part. We don't seem to care. We don't think our food is bad. We love beans or banana on toast. We defend it like it's part of our history. We smile and say it's lovely, even when it tastes like cardboard. We proudly offer guests tea and a biscuit. And if that's all anyone could ever want, as if that's all anyone could ever want. Still, things are changing slowly. More people are learning to cook. There are cooking shows on TV, and people are starting to visit farmers' markets. Olive oil is no longer foreign, and more people know what cumin is. British food is waking up little by little. So here's to the future. Here's to spices, fresh vegetables and meals that make you say, whoa. One day maybe we'll stop eating beige food from the freezer and start making meals that taste good and look good. But for now, please pass the ketchup. These chips are dry.